So today we are going to explore and execute some of the basic commands of a command prompt. So you can search command prompt at the search bar. So just simply type command prompt and then click, and then now you have your workspace. You can also open your command prompt by simply clicking your Windows key and then R. So we have it here, CMD or command prompt, and then OK. So now we have here the workspace. And then if you are a beginner on using command prompt, there are many commands available, many commands you can use in using command prompt. So you don't need to memorize all of them. So you just simply need to input help, and then it will show you all the available commands you can use in using command prompt. So I will show you more, or we will do the basic commands. So before that, I want to start to have a clear screen. So a command for that is CLS, to have clear screen. So now we can check what folders, files, or directories we are dealing or working with. So for us to be able to see those, we just need to type dir to display a list of files and subdirectories in a directory. So we have here the list, or we have saw the list of files and directories. So we just input the command dir, and then now we have the list of the existing files we have in our PC. So let's see, for example, I want to go to pictures. So we'll just input the command cd for the change of directory, cd, and then input the word pictures, since we want to go to pictures to see what's inside. So to fully see what's inside, you need to input the command dir, and then we have here. So you can check in your file explorer or to your PC's file if it matches. So pictures, and then we have it here. We'll check. So we have Merry Christmas banner 1, so it is definitely the same. So as you can see here, in the first part, we're still in the Ronil, and then here we have Ronil pictures. So in order to go back to Ronil, we just need to change directory and then 2 dots. So now we're back at Ronil. So if you want to go to documents, you just need to command, or you just need to change directory. So cd and then documents, since you want to go to documents. And then to fully see what is inside the documents, you just need to command or input the command dir. And then here it is. So doing another command, let's try to copy and move files. So let's open this sample folder. So change directory, sample folder. So dir, and then we have it here. So for example, we would like to copy this chap file here, chap. So the command for copy is copy, and then what file would you like to copy? Copy chap, and then followed by where do you want to copy it. So let's copy it here in chip. So copy chap, chip. So we have it here, one file copied. So we'll do another command, which is to move a file. So let's try it if the result will if the result will be effective. So let's try. The command for move is move, and then what file would you like to move? So move chip, and then where do you want to move it? To chap. So let's do it again. Move, let's do it the other way. Move chap to chip. So we have it here, one dir is moved. So it is successfully moved, it is successfully copied. And then we have it here, we have opened the dir documents and sample folder. Since we want to go back to Ranil, we're gonna do change directory. So cd dot dot backslash dot dot, since we already opened two directories. So for us to be able to go back directly to Ronel, we have done this one. So enter. So now we're back to Ronil. And then if you want to open, let's say for example, desktop. So the dir here is there. So in the desktop, you want to create a new directory. So the code or the command there is mkdir, and the what file name would it be? Let's say for example q. So let's try to see in the desktop. So we have it here, we have a new directory which is q. And then for example, if you want to rename your new directory, the command there is rename, and then what file or what directory would you like to rename? So rename q, and then what would you like to change? What name would you like to change? So for example, let's still try letters. So let's try W, and then let's try to see. So earlier this was Q, and then we renamed it. It's already W. So for example, another command is we will be going to delete a directory. So in order for us to delete a directory, the command there is rmdir, and then what directory would you like to delete? So let's try this W. So let's try to see in the desktop. So now there is no existing directory named W here. So it is successful. And then let's try another command. Let's clear this screen. So we're still in the desktop. So for example, you want to display a text here in the desktop. So let's try this BEM. Let's open this one. So we want to display the text inside the BEM's file text. So the command there is type and then BEM text. Don't forget the text in the later part. So enter. Now we have seen the text inside the file text. So I am loving Reyes Alacre. You can call me Bam. Nice meeting you. So let's see if it matches the words inside this. Okay, so it match. And then let's try another command. So for example, you want to compare two text files. So we have here two text files. So the command we'll be using, we're still on the desktop. So the command there in comparing two text files is fc, and then what file text would you like to compare? So bem text, and then pj text. So we have it here. It has been compared what file texts are inside BEM and then what file text are inside PJ. So let's try to see it. If it matches. So as you can see, we compared it there in the command prompt. So for example, another basic command, we're gonna input a text in an existing text file. So we're gonna input a text. So instead of clicking this in the desktop and then typing how are you and then control save, we're gonna do here in the command prompt. So the command there is echo, and then what text would you like to input? For example, how was your day? Again, echo, and then how was your day? And then we're gonna add this to specify where do you want to copy that text. So we're gonna copy it in BEM. So BEM text. So let's see if it has been inserted there in BEM. Okay, so here it is. How was your day? So we have successfully inserted a text. And then another command we're gonna try is you want to start a separate window. So you want to start a separate window, so you just need to command if you want to start a separate window, the command there is start. So now you have a separate workspace or separate window. And then if you want to see the date, the command there is date. So it has been seen here, the date today, which is March 27, 2021. So we're gonna enter the new date. So 03/27/2021. So let's try another command, which is if you want to know your Windows version. So for you to be able to know your Windows version, you just need to input the command ver. So it has been seen here that your Microsoft Windows version is 6.2.9200. And then if you want to see graphically displays the directory structure of a drive or path, so the code there, or the command you need to input there is tree. and then it will show you, it will graphically displays the directory structure of a drive or path. Okay, we have it here. And then if you know that there are still many commands you can use in using command prompt, so you just need to try, you just need to execute those commands, and then again, you don't need to memorize all of the commands because you can find those commands by just simply typing help, and then it will show in the screen the available commands you can use. So to exit your workspace is just simply inputting or typing exit, and then you're done. I hope that you have learned something in my tutorial, and thank you for watching.